Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel I'm going to do a really quick build of another Bandai kit. This is Pikachu from Pokemon. My wife spotted this in a store at the mall the other day and she said, oh, that'll be cool for you to build, and also Taylor really likes Pokemon and this is one of her favorite Pokemon, Pikachu. Taylor is my daughter-in-law. And so Taylor, I'm building this one for you, and then I'll give it to you when I'm done, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm gonna grab some clippers and some sanding sticks and get to the build. Okay, and we're back, and we have completed building Pikachu. As with most Bandai kits, this one's very easy to assemble. The parts are well made, the parts are well engineered, they come off the sprues easy. I do suggest you still use some clippers to clip those parts and some sanding sticks to get rid of any burrs that are left over, because on some of the parts, especially here, if you turn his head, his ears and stuff move and his head moves. If you don't get all those burrs off, that might make that not move so smoothly. But all in all, cute little kit. I'm sure Taylor will like it. I enjoyed building it and making this video. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. If you'd like to get notified when I upload new content, click the little bell down below and you'll be notified. And remember, this hobby is just for fun, and this was a fun little build. And a lot of times, even though, you know, I do some pretty crazy builds, some pretty detailed and in-depth builds that take, you know, months to complete. And sometimes it's just nice to just do a simple little kit. Just like a couple of the snap kits I've done and converted before. Sometimes this is just all you need to get kind of back into get your mojo going, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so there we have it. Pikachu from Pokemon. And as always, everybody, stay safe out there and go build something.